Pergola on the wharf, Docklands. Let's go. Roof garden, pergola on the wharf, community space, London, Docklands, April 2026.
Suntan. Ay,
Wonderful. Absolutely breathtaking. Takes my breath away. Wow. This is a beautiful public space. Ah, it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Crossrail Place, East Meets West. The geographic location of Canary Wharf Crossrail Station. A new dock for London, 1802. 2018, a new station for London, Crossrail Place. Wow. Look at that. Public space. Free. Beautiful. Let me take a little detour around here. And what have we here? Exploration East. Oh, what is this? A little statue? Painted steel, polished stainless steel art. Origin vertical. Wonderful.
Art pieces of like this installation. Sometimes strange, sometimes beautiful. It's like a what I say, broken off.
Some screaming and shouting, probably some celebration somewhere. Let's have a look what's going on out there. A little party. A little celebration. Okay.
Wait.
It's beautiful in there. Wow. Banana trees. Wonderful space. London. Canary Wharf. Every window tells a story. Wow. Crossrail Place. Big Easy. That's a crab shack. If you like seafood, it's not bad. And there's Princess May in her gardens. Another wonderful piece of art. Shepherd of the Sun. Interesting. Wonderful space. Peaceful, calm, interesting. Plants from the west. This half of the garden primarily represents plants from the Western Hemisphere. Strawberry tree, sweet gum, New Zealand tree fern, golden tree fern, soft tree fern. Wow, wonderful. Beautiful. Psst. Feels somehow heavenly. Peace. East meets west. I've seen this sign further up.
When you take a picture,
Let's see, have I got, what have I got in here? Have I got my, yes, I got my glasses and I got my camera. Let's get my camera. Never go anywhere without my wash bag. Fits everything I want. Let me make sure I've got everything. Yeah, my camera's in there. What's in this side? Oh no, just toiletries. Let's have a look. Wonderful. Oh wow, look at that. You can rent that, float around the canals, and have a nice meal. Beautiful. Docklands Light Railway, built specifically for Canary Wharf. Goes right and around. Big Easy, London. People enjoying their Sunday lunch, not Sunday, Saturday lunch. Wonderful. London Docklands. Roof garden. Look at this library.
Do you start playing? Oh, right, so just do yourselves all the way down.
Busy.
That's why I'm staying here.
Yeah, it makes sense. So we can actually keep what
Oh, look at that. Eco life. Wonderful. Canary Wharf. Look at that. Eco life, sewer system. Wonderful.
I've seen the ones in America where they have like the thing that like.
Wow.
They blocked off each guys.
Canary Wharf Underground Station. Well, it's not underground really, it's London Light Railway. Docklands Light Railway. Busy. Wonderful. Public space. Free for all.
And take it off. I'm the mama and I'm Apple too.
Young lovers. Holding hands. Beautiful space. What have we here? Oh, it's a hen party. It's the bride. Is that the bride?
That one there.
Tell her to turn around.
Sophie.
We doing?
Happy celebration.
Here you go. What?
Happy people from near and far. Visitors to London's Docklands.
Tom's done one drink. Scott Victoria. That's. Oh, it's on my phone now. Jacket.
Let's go up here and have a look at this sculpture.
Wednesday.
And what have we here? It's a lovely sculpture.
Watch that. To watch that program.
Wiecie? A ci stać, słuchaj.
Trzymaj.
So it's some of our hands and things. Some of them were.
Wow, wow, wow. Very interesting place. Canary Wharf.
Oh, you okay? Okay, we're in there. I've got my reaction.
Może rozstaniesz.
Could go down to shops if I want to. Very nice. Oh, Waitrose. Yeah.
Here.
Come on, this way.
You're funny.